Best Sport Compact Cars for 2024-2023 Audi RS7. In the dynamic world of sport compact cars, the 2023 Audi RS7 emerges as a true powerhouse, seamlessly blending performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. As the latest iteration of Audi's renowned RS lineup, the RS7 represents the pinnacle of refined power and sophistication, setting new standards for excellence in its segment. At the heart of the 2023 Audi RS7 lies a formidable powertrain that combines exhilarating performance with refined efficiency. Powering this athletic sedan is a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, generating an awe-inspiring 591 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, the RS7 delivers breathtaking acceleration and precise power delivery. With its potent powertrain and dynamic capabilities, the RS7 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest cars in its class. But the RS7 isn't just about straight-line speed, it's also engineered to deliver exceptional handling and agility. Audi's engineers have fine-tuned the RS7's suspension, chassis, and aerodynamics to provide exceptional agility and responsiveness, allowing drivers to confidently tackle corners and curves with ease. Whether navigating city streets or attacking the racetrack, the RS7 offers a level of performance and control that is sure to impress even the most discerning enthusiasts. In terms of design, the 2023 Audi RS7 exudes an air of modern elegance and athleticism. Its sleek and aerodynamic exterior, accentuated by bold lines, aggressive front grille, and signature LED headlights, commands attention and makes a bold statement on the road. The RS7's upscale aesthetic is further enhanced by features such as 21-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust outlets, and RS-specific styling cues, which add a touch of sportiness to its appearance. Inside the cabin, the RS7 offers a luxurious and tech-forward environment that is designed to indulge the senses and enhance the driving experience. Premium materials such as leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and aluminum accents create a refined ambience, while advanced features like Audi's MMI infotainment system, virtual cockpit, and Bang & Olufsen premium sound system provide connectivity and entertainment at your fingertips. Furthermore, the 2023 Audi RS7 is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2023 Audi RS7 represents the pinnacle of performance, luxury, and technology in the sport compact car segment. With its potent powertrain, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the RS7 sets a new standard for excellence and reaffirms Audi's commitment to delivering unparalleled driving experiences. Whether cruising along the highway or pushing the limits on the track, the RS7 promises an exhilarating and unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.